Okay, in this last example, we are going to use the vector to translate a figure. So when you're looking at this vector, again, this vector tells us horizontal movement, and vertical movement. Okay, so kind of goes back to horizontal and vertical. So a positive horizontal number tells us it goes to the right. A negative vertical number tells us it's moving down. So if we go to plot this out, let's go ahead and plot A, B, and C to start with. So over 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got A, and then B is 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then C, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay. All right, so in order to translate it, we can simply count. So we can go like this. From A, I'm going to move horizontally 1, 2, 3. Oh gosh, sorry, that keeps changing. All right, I'm just going to have to see if my cursor shows up here. So I'm going to move horizontally 1, 2, 3, and then down 4. So if I go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, I land right here for A prime. Okay, so to the right, I'm going to the right 3, and then I'm going down 4. So I'm just going to repeat that for the other 2 points. So for B, I'm going to go over to the right, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to move this name over a little bit, so that's going to be A prime. And then to get C prime, I'm going to do the same thing, over 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have just translated it to the right and down. So the second question is, what is the magnitude? So here's where we can do the distance. So you can do one of two things. We're trying to find the distance between any pre-image and its image. So I could do distance formula, or I like to do Pythagorean theorem since I'm on a graph. So I'm going to go ahead and make a right triangle around my green line. And so I need the horizontal vertical distance. So I can count and get 3 and count and get 4. Now, you might start remembering some of these Pythagorean triples. So if I plug it into Pythagorean theorem, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared, this is a triple. So if you don't remember what c is, then we can just, go through the math. So 9 plus 16, which is 25. And then when we take the square root of both sides, we get 5. Okay, so 5 is equal to the magnitude. Okay, so your alternative would be distance formula, but magnitude or a Pythagorean theorem, hopefully you find it is a little bit quicker, but in the end it doesn't matter which one. Okay, that's it for this first lesson.